Hello, my name is Savannah. I'm a chemistry major and do research in nanomaterials for my undergraduate thesis. The artwork I have chosen is Buckyball by Leo Villarreal. This piece is located outside of Crystal Bridges Museum in Bentonville, Arkansas. This piece is a lighted installation which is lit from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. every day. It is lit through LEDs, which can produce a wide range of 16 million colors. The light pattern changes according to a complex software system developed by Villarreal, which has two main features: a white light sequence for daytime and a colorful evening sequence for just after dark. Buckyball is a shortened version of the name Buckminster Fullerene, named after Buckminster Fuller. Mr. Fuller is the trademark architect of geodesic domes. A buckyball is a carbon-60 molecule, which is a spherical fullerene molecule. This type of molecule has a very specific shape, called a truncated icosahedron, and consists exclusively of hexagons and pentagons. Buckyball is actually two buckyballs, one nested inside of the other. This piece was originally commissioned by the Madison Square Park Conservancy in New York. It is on loan to Crystal Bridges. The artist tuned the software for the lighting to produce effects of random composition, varied speed, color, and opacity. These effects can trigger specific neurological responses, such as those involved in pattern recognition. Villarreal has his BA in sculpture from Yale University and a graduate degree in interactive telecommunications program from the NYU Tisch School of the Arts. Villarreal has produced many notable lighted works, such as Radiant Pathway at Rice University, Multiverse in Washington, D.C., Hive at Bleecker Street Subway Station, and Bay Lights for the Bay Bridge in San Francisco. Buckyball is a piece with high symmetry due to the shape of the structure. This symmetry balances the structure, which contains many planes of both symmetry and rotation. All the lines in the structure are straight, and there are many parallel sets of lines throughout the structure. The lines of the structure are all of the same weight. The colors of the lighted structure in the evening hours are vibrant and varied. The hue, intensity, and value of the colors vary with the software. Occasionally, the structure will take on a monochromatic light. Buckyball is dynamic and ever-changing. This piece can suggest that the work has no actual meaning conferred by the artist. This work is a combination of many elements. The first notable element being its size, because this is a large piece of work of something that is naturally tiny, and nanoscale in fact. This size, combined with the specialized benches to recline viewers below the level of the work, suggests the artist may want viewers to be struck by the scale of the work. The structure is placed on a very large pedestal, which places the totality of the structure above the heads of viewers. The lighting can create movement and emotion in viewers. Through the randomized lighting sequence, human pattern recognition is thrown off, which introduces an element of disorientation. The lighting changes at varying speeds, and when it changes predictably, this sequence is perceived as motion to the human eye. The use of nesting also creates a sense of disorientation. Buckyball can be categorized into the abstract constructivism category. This is due to the bareness of the structure. The frame, joints, and connections are visible in the structure, particularly in daylight. Emphasis is placed on the construction of the structure and the highly industrial materials used. Aluminum and LEDs are very modern materials that have strong connections to modern industry. The geometric form places some emphasis on the construction of the structure as well. This large geometric structure seems to be influenced by modern techniques due to the imaging necessary to capture the shape of the fullerenes, the materials used, and the very modern basis of the structure. The structure itself from Buckminster Fullerene was not identified until the late 1900s. The abstraction of this work is most notably the size. While this is true, the fact that the structure is lighted is another abstraction. Particles such as the buckyball are tiny and are not lighted in reality. This produces the opposition to reality in this work. I love this piece of artwork, particularly because of my nanomaterials research focus, and because when this work is viewed as intended, lying on one of the specially designed benches at night, it seems to come alive. The inorganic form seems to become organic. Thank you for listening.